Hello everyone, welcome to my channel mokshidisha.education. Today we will solve the question paper, 7th standard scholarship question paper, subject mathematics. Let's see the question number 26. First 25 questions are of English and from question number 26 to 75 are of maths. So the first question is 55 workers complete a work in 60 days. To complete the same work in 42 days, how many more workers are required? The option number 4, 24. Second question, Prakash completes one work in 10 days. Prasad completes the same work in 15 days. How many days will be required to complete the same work if both of them work together? The option number A is the correct answer. Let's see the third 28th question. The sale of vegetable seller for a week from Monday to Sunday is as follows. Rupees 3025, rupees 3075, rupees 3250, rupees 3300, rupees 2400, rupees 2250 and X. If the average of the sale is rupees 2800, then what is the value of X, the sale on Sunday? So option number 3 is the correct answer. Now the next question is, if measurement of angle P is equals to 55 degree, then what is the measure of the supplementary angle of a complementary angle P? The answer is option number 2. Next question is, in the adjoining figure of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, which angle is different? The option number 4, angle D. Next question, 31st question. Which of the following is false statement? First one, the angle bisector of a triangle are not concurrent. The perpendicular bisector of a triangle are concurrent. The sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is 180. In the triangle, the sum of the length of two smaller sides is greater than the length of the greatest side. So option number 1 is the false statement. Question number 32. What is the perimeter of the triangle PQR? Option number 1 is 29 cm. Option number 2 41 cm. Option number 3 is 68 cm and option number 4 70 cm. The correct answer is option number 4 70 cm. Next question, question number 33. Select the option which is not the Pythagorean triplet. The option number 1 42 56 70. Option number 2 15 36 40. Option number 3 10 24 26 and option number 4 11 60 and 61, and the correct answer is option number 3. Next question, 34th. The length of the triangle is 30 cm and width is 20 cm. What is the area of a square whose perimeter is same as the perimeter of the given rectangle? The options are 625 square centimeter, second option 600 square centimeter, third one 576 square centimeter and fourth one 529 square centimeter. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Next question. In the given figure, if the area of a square PQRS is 900 square centimeter, then what is the area of a square ABCD formed by joining the midpoint of the side quadrilateral PQRS? First option is 400 square centimeter, second one is 900 square centimeter, third one is 450 square centimeter, fourth one is 600 square centimeter. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 36. If a cuboid has 6 surfaces, 8 vertices, then it has how many edges? Option number 1 12, option number 2 14, option number 3 10, and option number 4 13. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Now 37th question. Select the odd term. First one cube, second square, third one cuboid, and fourth one prism. Option number 2 is the correct answer. 38. Observe the figure. Two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal. Find angle A. Option number A is 45. Option number 2 is 50. Option number 3 is 65 degree. And option number 4 is 55 degree. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 39. In the given figure, regular hexagon, what is the addition of all its interior angles? Option number 1 360, option number 2 450 degree, option number 3 640 degree, and option number 4 720 degree. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 40. A rope of a length 720 meter is cut at 8 places at equal distance. What is the length of each piece in decimeter? Option number 1 is 720 decimeter. Option number 2 is 80 decimeter. Option number 3 is 800 decimeter. And option number 4 is 900 decimeter. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 41. 8 whole 1 upon 8 kilometer is equals to dash meters. Option number 1 is 8,12,500 meter, 81,250 meter, 812.5 meter, 8,125 meter. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 42. If the area of a square is 729 square meter, then what is the perimeter? Option number 1 104, option number 2 108 centimeter, option number 3 112 centimeter, option number 4 116 centimeter. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 43. The diameter of a circular garden is 700 meters. The garden is to be fenced with 5 rounds of a wire. Find the total cost of fencing if the rate of the wire is 60 rupees per meter. Option number 1 is 6,60,000 rupees. Option number 2 9,24,000 rupees. Option number 3 8,80,000 rupees. Option number 4 7,60,000 rupees. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Fourth one. One square is formed with 88 centimeter long wire. One circle is formed with 88 centimeter long wire. What is the difference between the area of this square and this circle? Option number 1 is 189 square centimeter. Option number 2 is 132 square centimeter. Option number 3 is 188 square meter. Option number 4 is 197 square meter. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 45. A rectangular garden with a length 660 meter and the breadth 40 meter has a road with breadth 3 whole 1 upon 2 meters on the outer side along the sides of a garden. What is the area of that road? Option number 1 is 849 square meter. Option number 2 is 729 square meter. Option number 3 is 649 square meter. Option number 4 is 749 square meter. Option number 4 is the correct answer. The next question number 46. The surface area of a cube is 294 square centimeter. What is its volume? Option number 1 is 343 cc. Option number 2 is 243 cc. Option number 3 is 512 cc. Option number 4 is 443 cc. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Next question is, the soil from the pit with the length 250 meter, width 150 meters and depth 2 meters is spread evenly on the road with the length 7.5 kilometer and 20 meters breadth. What will be the thickness of the soil spread on the road? Option number 1 0.4 meter, option number 2 0.6 meter, option number 3 0.5 meter, option number 4 is 1 meter. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 48. The scores 623, 616, 618, 620, 617, 619, 622, 621 x are given. The average of all these score is 620. What is the value of x? Option number 1 is 615. Option number 2 is 614. Option number 3 is 626. And option number 4 is 624. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Now question number 49 and 50 is based on the given graph. From that, question number 49, total how many fruit plants are planted by 8, 9 and 10 standard students? Option number 1 is 225, option number 2 245, option number 3 225, option number 4 215. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 50. What is the ratio of total flowering plants with the total fruit plants planted by all the students? Option number 1 is 19 is to 17. Option number 2 is 17 is to 15. Option number 3 is 17 is to 16. Option number 4 is 16 is to 19. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 51. If 20% of x minus 10% of 8000, then what is the value of x? Option number 1 is 4000. Option number 2 is 2000. Option number 3 is 3000. Option number 4 is 5000. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Question number 52. The cost of sugar is increased by 25% and the sale of the sugar is decreased by 10%. The trade will show increase or decrease by how much percent? Option number 1 is 15% increase. Second one, 15% decrease. Option number 3 is 12.5% increase. Option number 4 is 12.5% decrease. So the correct answer is option number 3, 12.5% increase. Next question, question number 53. Suresh took a loan of 10,000 at the rate of 12% per annum and 12,000 at 9% per annum respectively from a bank. If he repaid all the loan with interest after 3 years, then find the total amount he paid. Option number 1, 6,840 rupees. Option number 2, 28,840 rupees. Option number 3, 27,800 rupees. And option number 4 is 27,880 rupees. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 54. What is the difference between the simple interest on rupees 16,000 at the rate of 12.5% per annum for 2 whole and 1 upon 4 years on rupees 16,000 at the rate of 10% per annum for 2.5 years? Option number 1 is rupees 500. Option number 2 is 400 rupees. Option number 3 is 550 rupees. Option number 4 is 450 rupees. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Now 55. Question number 55. If the items is sold for rupees 60, the loss incurred is 4 times the profit gained by the selling the same item at rupees 80. Then what is the cost price of that item? Option number 1, 62 rupees. Option number 2, 58 rupees. Option number 3 56 rupees and option number 4 64 rupees. Option number 4 is the correct answer. To question number 56. When a shopkeeper sold the mobile at rupees 39,711, whose mark price is rupees 42,700, then how much percent discount did he give? Option number 1 9%, option number 2 8%, option number 3 7% and option number 4 6%. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 57. Ramrao purchased a tractor at rupees 6,50,000 through a commission agent. If 1.5% of commission is paid to the agent, then what is the total amount paid by Ramrao? Option number 1 6,59,750. Option number 2 6,58,750 rupees. Option number 3 is 6,60,750 rupees and option number 4 is 6,61,750 rupees. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Question number 58. If x is equals to 37 and y is equals to 27, then x into y is equals to how much? Option number 1 949, option number 2 999, option number 3 989, option number 4 1199. Option number 2 is the correct answer, 999. Next question, question number 59. X in first bracket x plus 7 and second bracket x minus 7 are the factors of which of the following algebraic expression? Option number 1 x square minus 16x minus 63, second x square plus 2x minus 63, option number 3 x square minus 14x minus 63, option number 4 x square minus 49. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 60. X square minus 4xy plus 4y square is equals to how much? Option number 1 x minus 2y into bracket x minus 2y. Option number 2 x plus y in second bracket x minus 4y. Option number 3 x plus 2y x minus 2y and fourth one x minus y x minus 4y. Option number 1 is the correct answer. 61 question number. Find the expansion of 6x minus 5y whole square from the following. Option number 1 36x square minus 30xy plus 25xy square. Option number 2 36x square plus 30xy plus 25y square. Option number 3 36x square minus 60xy plus 25y square. Option number 4 36x square minus 120xy plus 25y square. Option number 3 is the correct answer, 36x square minus 60xy plus 25y square. Question number 62. 3x plus 4y whole square plus 3x minus 4y whole square is equals to how much? Option number 1 32xy. Option number 2 9x square plus 16y square. Option number 3 9x square minus 16y square. Option number 4 18x square plus 32y square. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 63. 9a square minus 1 upon 16b square is equals to how much? Option number 1 in first bracket 3a minus 1 upon 4b in second bracket 3a minus 1 upon 4b. Second option 3a plus 1 upon 4b into second bracket 3a minus 1 upon 4b. Option number 3 in first bracket 3a plus 4b in second bracket 3a plus 3a minus 4b. Option number 4 9a plus 1 upon 4b into second bracket 9a minus 1 upon 4b. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 64. If 4x plus 10 upon 5 is equals to 6, then x is equals to how much? Option number 1 is 2, option number 2 is 10, option number 3 is 4, option number 4 is 5, option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 65. If thrice a certain number is added to twice the same number, then it comes to 85, then which is that number? Option number 1 is 23, option number 2 is 17, option number 3 is 27, option number 4 is 29, option number 2 is the correct answer, 17. 66. What is the addition of odd number from 1 to 100? Option number 1 is 1600, option number 2 is 1800, option number 3 is 2401, and option number 4 is 2500. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 67. What is the difference between the smallest natural number and the greatest negative integer? First one option is 0, second one option 1, option number 3 is 2, and option number 4 is 4. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 68. 73 upon 99 is equals to how much? Option number 1 is 0.73. This question is from recurring decimal. Second one is 0.731. Third one 0.7373, and fourth one is 0.73473. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Question number 69. Observe the number line and select which of the following option denotes coordinates P of point P on the number line. Option number 1 8 upon 3, option number 2 7 upon 3, option number 3 minus 10, option number 70. The divisibility test of which of the following option is applicable for all the numbers? 784, 98, 196, and 392. Option number 1 is 2 and 7. Option number 2 is 2, 3 and 7. Option number 3 is 2, 3 and 6. And option number 4 is 3, 4 and 7. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 71. Find the square root of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 7 cube plus 8 cube is equals to. Option number 1 is 33, option number 2 is 34, option number 3 is 36, and option number 4 is 38. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Question number 72. LCM of two consecutive odd natural number is 2499, which is the smallest number in those two numbers. Option number 1 is 39, option number 2 is 49, option number 3 is 51, and option number 4 is 41. Option number 2 is the correct answer, 49. Question number 73. Which is the greatest rational number from the given numbers? 16 upon 27, 5 upon 9, 2 upon 3, 125 upon 243. Option number 125 upon 243, option number 2 16 upon 27, option number 3 is 5 upon 9, and option number 4 is 2 upon 3. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Question number 74. 2 raised to 5 whole cube divided upon 2 raised to 7 into 4 raised to 2 is equals to how much? Option number 1 is 8, option number 2 is 12, option number 3 is 16, option number 4 is 32. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Now the question number 75. Sunil and Anil invested rupees 91,000 rupees and rupees 65,000 respectively and started a business. At the end of the year, they made a profit of rupees 48,300. How much is the Sunil share in profit? Option number 1 is rupees 29,750. Option number 2, 28,175. Option number 3, 28,375. Option number 4, 20,175. Option number 2 is the correct answer.